Hello guys, good day to all. For today's video, we gonna be visiting Khorfakkan. Come and join us as we discover this beautiful Khorfakkan in Fujairah. Guys, as you can see, we are riding on this Sharjah hop-on-hop of bus. Guys, Khorfakkan is located in the Emirate of Sharjah, but it's situated on the eastern coast, surrounded by the Emirate of Fujairah. It is 128 kilometers from Sharjah city center to Khorfakkan. It took us almost 2 hours and a half from Sharjah city center to Khorfakkan. Guys, we took this tour on a weekday because it's not full and not so congested. We paid 65 dirhams each for the whole trip. Guys, as you all know, there are 5 tunnels on the road from Sharjah to Khorfakkan. This road, officially known as the Sharjah-Khorfakkan Highway, passes through the Hajar Mountains and significantly reduces travel time between the two cities. There you go guys, we reached Rafisah Dam in Khorfakkan as our first stop. Guys, you know Rafisah Dam is a dam in Sharjah, United Arab Emirates. It dams the Wadi Shi, a seasonal waterway in the Hajar Mountains that runs down to the city of Khorfakkan on the east coast of Sharjah. There is no entry fee to visit Rafisah Dam. You only pay for the specific activities like kayaking or boat rentals. For example, kayaking costs 30 AED for a 30-minute session, and a pedal boat costs 45 AED for a 30 minutes session. It is open daily from 9:30 AM to 9:30 PM. The best time to visit is generally from October to March due to cooler weather, with the pre-dawn and post-sunset being ideal for photography. During the Sharjah Light Festival, the dam may have extended evening hours. This is a perfect spot for a road trip destination and a fun day out. The Rafisah Dam appears out of the mountains on the road to Khorfakkan, over the crest of a hill, and is picturesque site, offering beautiful views as well as the opportunities for a range of activities. From kayaking to hiking to learning more of the historical and archaeological terrain of the region. A man-made waterfall and lush greenery make for a tranquil outdoor experience, while hiking trails lead you around the lake. Families with young children will enjoy the play areas and family facilities. Those looking to relax will find a restaurant with a panoramic outlook and sitting areas dotted around the destination. Enjoy the many activities to be found at and around Rafisah Dam, where fresh nature, air, and history surrounds you. Kayak around the lake or hike through the mountain range. Bird watch for the numerous feathered species that stop by the water, or learn more about the heritage treasures of the region. Guys, you can also bring your own food, especially if you have kids with you. There's a certain place in Rafisah Dam where you can dine in. Or if you wish to go to a restaurant, you can find a nearby restaurant within the vicinity.
Ayan na yung pato, oh. Ayan. Sige. Ayan. The make. The making. The making. Ayan, may pato sa likod. Dali. One.
Itsura ng pagkakaupo ko dito para na akong...
Isda. Daming isda.
Kitay! Aliran ko dali!
Ayan, ang daming isda oh. Oops, okay. Ayan oh, daming isda oh. Ayan oh, yan.
Ay kuya, may koi fish oh, may kulay! Ayun, isda oh.
Hello guys, we're now heading to our next location, which is Khorfakkan Beach. Guys, Khorfakkan Beach is a popular destination on the east coast of the United Arab Emirates. Known for its sandy shores, clear waters, and opportunities for water sports and marine life observation. It's a major tourist attraction, particularly for those interested in activities like diving, snorkeling, and parasailing. Guys, nearby Khorfakkan Beach you can find the Khorfakkan Amphitheatre. The Khorfakkan Amphitheatre is an open-air theatre and a cultural landmark in the Emirates of Sharjah, located in Khorfakkan. This is a Roman-style architectural theatre which is a semi-circular shape with tiered setting and it provides an excellent views of the stage from all angles. Overlooking the Khorfakkan Corniche is the Khorfakkan Waterfall. Guys, do you know how tall is the Khorfakkan Waterfall? It is 45 meters long and 11 meters wide waterfall, located at the height of 43 meters above sea level. Guys, thank you so much for joining us in our journey to Khorfakkan. Please subscribe to our channel, Ignoranting Bisa-col, as we are growing our channel with you. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, bye bye for now. To God be the glory.